Hey guys, Wyatt here. I think we're going to do this wooden handle screwdriver. It's a Phillips screwdriver. I got this in a mess of tools I bought a couple of years ago. I just found them. I don't know, every time I buy tools I stash them somewhere and I lose them. But anyway, the handle's a little rough. It's a little uneven. We'll see if we can sand that down real easy, real nice and smooth. It's got a metal ferrule. I'm not going to take this apart because it really is pretty tight. We're just going to clean it up and see if we can get this in decent looking shape. Anyway guys, let me get the wire wheel set up and we'll attack this. This is wire. Hey guys, this is after wire wheel here. Didn't think it had a maker's mark on it, but it does. It's made by Phillips. It says Phillips here, and that is a tool company. I looked it up, and the patent is 2046840, and it's got another patent 2046837, made in the United States. So that's what it looks like, all wire brushed. So what we're going to do now is see if we can shine this up a little bit, and then we'll work on the handle. Okay guys, here it is all shined up. The handle is a little beat up. The grooves are all wore in. I wasn't going to take it down too far. We're going to stain this dark anyway, but it did turn out really nice. I think what I'm going to do now is clean the handle with a little bit of paint thinner. Get all the dust off of it and stain it. The reason why I wear plastic gloves when I'm using my belt sander is because I'm tired of getting shock from the static electricity. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's enough to throw you off a little bit. We just wipe the whole thing down. Slowly getting a good collection of wood handle tools. What I'm doing is I'm getting rid of all my Chinese tools. I am using these wood handle tools. I think they're made so much better. Back in the day, these were made back in the day when people appreciated tools that they have. Nowadays, seems like everything's thrown away. Even Stanley has gotten a little bit on the cheap side. I mean, I have some older Stanley tools that are way far beyond than what they're making now. But I guess that's the way it's going nowadays in the world. Okay, let's let that dry and then we'll stain it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've done this before. I've used tea as a stain. I thought I'd try it on this. So just leave that in there for a minute or two. As you can see, it's already staining it up. I've done this before on tables I built. I've used tea. Actually, Lipton tea. And Lipton tea is not sponsoring this video. See how dark this is getting? Let that dry, and we'll have another dip in it. This is a little soft. We need to let this dry overnight before we before I start putting the varnish on it. So let's let that dry, and we'll be back. Hi guys, I thought I'd mention Scout Crafters Challenge to do these little race cars. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do them in the time allotted he gave us, but I thought I would share with you some of the race cars my grandson did. He's a Cub Scout, and actually I think he's a Boy Scout now. He's 10 years old, and he just entered a couple weeks ago. He won second and third place in the Pinewood Derby, so I thought I'd show these to you. Hey guys, here's the finished product. I polyurethane, it gave it like 3 coats. Turned out pretty nice. I like the color of tea. Also, I use coffee to stain as well. I try to use a lot of natural products to stain, and other than the Minwax. But it did turn out really nice. I'm gonna put this in with my tools that I keep home. I take a lot of cheap tools to work with me, because sometimes I'll lay them around and I forget what I do with them. But yeah, this is going into my regular toolbox, and it turned out really nice. When I sanded this, I kind of wiped out the maker's mark a little bit, but you can barely see it. I'll take a picture of it so you guys can see it up close. Anyway. That's the screwdriver. Anyway, fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys the next time. This is Wire. See ya!